Hi guys, hope y'all having an awesome Saturday. So this is going to be a cool no-sew video. I'm going to show you guys how to make this gorgeous pillow. I got this fabric from my local fabric store and I love these 3D beautiful red roses on this print, okay? So I paid $7 because this is like, it was $13, but half off of that. So I got 1 yard. So I'm gonna show you how, and I haven't did it yet, it's just pins around, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. But I literally do it on the pillow, but I'm gonna show y'all the demo so y'all will know how to do it. So basically, you cut your fabric wider than the actual pillow. So you take your fabric, you're gonna cut it wider than the actual pillow. So I'm just gonna show y'all how I come up with all the corners. So on each corner, on this end, you take your finger, right? And you push that in with your finger like a triangle shape, so it kind of be like that, right? And then you take this corner, put that corner in, then you take this corner. It's easier doing it on a pillow, but I just want to show y'all from this side view, and you push it in. So y'all see that? That's what you would have. And you fold the raw edge under. See that? And that's all I'm doing, folding the raw edge under. Folding the raw edge under. Then I take the pins and I pin it, okay? So this side, you don't cut. This is the closed side. So that's how I'm going to create this pillow. And what y'all finna watch me do is hot glue gun. This the closed edge. These are all the edges that I fold over, just like I'm telling y'all. We're going to use the hot glue gun. So we're about to get started. I got these pins. I got it fold under. And everybody know hot glue is very, very dangerous. So I would encourage you guys to be careful and try not to burn yourself when you're doing this project. I like to use a smaller glue gun because I feel like I got better range. So put it in there. Boom, 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 boom. Don't put it to the end. When you squeeze it, it's going to squeeze out and burn you. So when I put it there, I put the hot glue there and I'm closing it. See that? Close it. You'll know if you didn't get it all because see that little corner? There's no glue there, but you take it and close it. You're closing it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's kind of a tight job because I put it so close. So that's what I'm talking about. It oozed out and burnt me a little. I do have these finger thimbles for hot glue, but I'll get that later. So you just take it and don't squeeze it crazy. Just do a nice generous amount to make the glue adhere to the fabric. And when you guys are getting glue stick, make sure they say for fabric. Don't go in a dollar store and be cheap and get that little cheap glue, because if you get some really cheap glue, you'll look up and your pillows will be coming loose. And this is permanent. So for the people that sew, you guys, I know y'all know how to sew and make the pillow coverings. Then you make the pillow coverings. And if you want the price tag, I'll show y'all another pillow I got to be out where you can identify what pillow it is. So if somebody allergic or whatever, or however you need, I'll show you guys how to do it. Y'all can bring that price tag out and close it and have, you know how the pillows have the label on the pillow. Because some people can be allergic to certain stuff. So if you're making them for a customer, then you'll do it that way. But yeah, you just take your time. Yeah, we can make beautiful pillows. So when I saw this fabric, I was like, it's so beautiful. But that's all you're going to do. You're going to do all 4 corners, 3 corners, because remember, 1 corner is a closed edged. And I'm going to show y'all my pillows on my bed. All of those pillows on my bed, except for the pillows that I sleep on with the pillowcases, I made the pillows. I even did fur ones. So I'm trying to fix up my little space. It's going to become the fall time, and I want to have my place nice and cozy. Because, you know, during that time, you're in a lot more. So I'm just trying to get everything cozy. Okay. So, yes. And I'm doing a generous amount of glue. So, and I would say use a smaller glue gun. Those bigger ones, When you squeeze it, so much glue coming out, and I don't feel that you are in good control. And I do have it pinned so that the fold don't come out, so I can keep going and keep grooving. So if you guys going to do this project, pick up some safety pin, because once you pin all the raw edges around like I did, you just get your hot glue gun and just take your time. And they do have hot glue gun finger thimbles. It's made for a hot glue gun where you can literally touch the hot glue. I have it in this pack over here, but I'll have to stop and get it. A lot of times I like to have all my stuff, you know, out where I can get it. But I was in love with this fabric. So if y'all want y'all hot glue gun and you want it in bolts, a lot of times I get a lot of stuff from Amazon, because I think a lot of time it's cheaper. So then you just flip it to the next corner side and always start on the end. So look at your fold. If your fold be a little off, fold it correctly and just keep going. Keep going. And squeeze. But I love creating new stuff, new ideas, new stuff. So we at about 6 minutes. And I'm not going to bore y'all all day, but I just want to show y'all kind of like, my channel is kind of like Julia Child's. You know, when she was cooking, she'll cook another pot roast and have that pot roast together. And then she'll walk y'all through how she created it. So my channel is not in depth like a lot of people channel. Like I kind of give y'all the bread and butter, like just boom, boom, boom. Make it simple, common sense. Sometimes I watch a lot of videos, and one thing, and I can't tell nobody how to do their videos, but one thing is annoying to me in a video, when you watch them videos and they put that music on there, and that and you trying to concentrate on what they're doing, but the music is so annoying, and or the music is so loud, and you like, if I want to listen to music, I'll listen to music. I'm looking at your channel because I'm trying to learn. So even if y'all don't want to talk, for me, and y'all give y'all opinion, with a lot of that music, it's like, I no longer be interested in a video because I'm annoyed by the music. I'd rather for y'all just to point if y'all don't feel like talking. And I know y'all do it because y'all not talking in the videos. But if you don't feel like talking, just kind of show them and just be working without the music, because I don't want to listen to no music. And make sure you got all your ends closed. Go back and check it. And don't cut your square too small. Make it overlap about 3 to 4 inches bigger than the actual pillow, because you need to fold the raw edges in. Don't cut it exact, because then you ain't gonna have this clean finish. So I wanted to bring y'all something fun. And when I get to this corner, I'm gonna pretty much stop, because y'all got the bread and butter now. Y'all don't need me all day sitting here gluing and gluing and gluing it. This is pretty easy. No sew project. Y'all got it. It don't take now a rocket science to figure out what I did. Simple. Got some fabric and a hot glue gun and went to town. That's it. Okay. So the final corner that I have to do is this one. But I'm going to take y'all in a room and show y'all the other pillars that I did, and show you guys also how you can do it where the price tag can come out. But when y'all getting it, look for a good down pillow. And if y'all want to do the chopping action, don't get them real stiff, cheap pillows. If you want to do the chopping action, look for a down pillow. So that's the one you can do the chopping with. So now I'm going to take y'all and I'm going to show y'all my pillows on my bed. If it's a little messy, I got fabric, don't worry. Okay, so those are the pillows that I made. You see? Okay, so let me sit this right here, and I'm finna kind of show y'all what I am talking about. These my paper towels. Okay, let me move that. This is fabric I got from the fabric store for customers, so that's what that is. So y'all see these pillows right here? I made these pillows. And if you want the price tag, if you guys want the price tag to come out, when you're doing a hot glue, just bring this out and make it meet like this, and you can have the price tag. So if you're doing it for a customer, you could do it where you have the price tag also. I hope I'm in frame. Yeah, you can have the whatever this is, this part. The rest of my pillows, I didn't do it. The rest of my pillows, I did not do it that way. I did them the regular way, but I'm loving this 3D fabric. And every pillow on my bed is done with a hot glue gun. Every last one of these pillows that y'all see on my bed, I created them with a hot glue gun. So all of these was done with that same method. And even this one, guys, hot glue gun. Hot glue gun, hot glue gun, hot glue gun. So just get creative. This is the fur one. Just get creative and you can make all these beautiful pillows with the hot glue gun. And for the people that don't know me and probably say, who is those guys above the bed? That is my son D'Angelo and my son Reginald. The one in the green hat was the one that looks like me that was killed in a triple homicide. So I have his picture over my bed. But those are all the pillows that I made using the hot glue gun method. Okay. So hope you guys like it. You guys have a blessed day.